it's Friday night before test, you're like, I'm not going to study. I'll be fine. So behind closed doors, right, when no one's watching, you're going to go, maybe I'll slack. No one's seeing me, so I'm going to slack a little bit. Character exactly that. When no one's watching, no one's paying attention to you, are you still doing the work even though no one's watching? What do you think reputation is then? What's reputation? See, my talk is not about school. My talk is about what you need up here to get through school. You don't have a positive attitude about, I'm going to do well in this class, or what can I do well in this class? That's not your thought process. How do I do well in this class? If that's a positive outlook and how that takes your mind to figure out a way to do it. If you go, man, I'm not going to do well. It's going to be tough this year. This class I'm going to get overwhelmed. I can't make it tonight. That's something else going on. There's too much work. That finds ways to do that too. Okay. So now scoot forward. And then bring your feet behind you. So more on the side back. Just go here. Right there. Does that feel okay? Can you, without leaning this back, can you lean your body, move your, there we go, like that. So your back goes forward more. Does that feel comfortable? But I want you to focus on, okay, where does my upper back feel comfortable? How far can I go back? And then from there, can I move my body forward, my hips forward, so my body can maintain this posture instead of where I'm used to here? Because you have 3 parts of your spine. You have your neck, mid back, and low back. If you can move 2 of them, the head coming backwards first, the lower back coming backwards also, that'll help that lower back, that'll help that mid back take the pressure off of there. Okay.